Hey everyone, how's it going? So I am with the Tesla Model Y Performance here, or any Model 3 or Y. We will be talking about the center console, this fake vegan leather that wraps around your Alcantara phone charger, your center console, cup holder. We'll be wrapping this piece here with the fake stitching with carbon fiber. So this is the carbon fiber piece from Handshell. This is the gloss finish. They do sell this in the matte finish as well. So we went with the gloss one to match the rest of the car. So we're switching out to everything gloss. And you can see it just slides right into it. Just like that. Just to show you the fit and finish of this carbon fiber center console piece. And check this out. Closed just fine. So this is real carbon fiber. You can see there the gloss finish does give it more of a depth finish, and you can tell this is real carbon fiber, not the fake ones. It wraps around, no impact to the center console closing or opening of this compartment. And we also have the Handshell carving light for the Tesla Model Y and 3. Will work with any Tesla Model Y and 3 with the new door trim. So we'll be flipping this out for the glossy carbon fiber. So this is the matte finish. You can see the difference here. This is also from Handshell. This has more of a 2-dimension versus this is more of a closer to 3-dimension. You can see the reflection. And it's curved so it doesn't reflect sunlight to hit your face. And we haven't noticed anything that's out of the ordinary. You can see the fit and finish. Again, this is full carbon fiber. So it's designed to fit along the trim here. And if you want to do a custom install, you can put the chrome tip above this. Just makes it more seamless. You can see that it looks like it came with the vehicle. Very nice, very nice. We'll post a link where you can find this, again, from Handshell, and make sure you use the code megawatts to get some major saving. They're starting to roll out a bunch of carbon fiber pieces for the Tesla Model Y and 3, so definitely take advantage of it. It's the more affordable carbon fiber, real carbon fiber that you can get these days. So they're just rolling out, and they're providing almost at cost. So make sure you take advantage of that. Make sure you use the megawatts as your coupon code at checkout. So you only can use that at checkout to click on the expand on top, enter in megawatts, and you should save up to between 15 and 25% depending on what product, but at minimum 15% off right now. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.